Your pressure washer's performance heavily depends on these tiny, colorful components. If they're worn down or the wrong size, your equipment won't work the way it's supposed to. So for the next few minutes, let's talk about how to size and replace your pressure washer's nozzles. Hi everyone, this is Ben with Hotsy Equipment Company, your Midwest leader in pressure washer sales and service, proudly serving Nebraska, Southwest Iowa, and Northern Kansas. Did you know that everything from waterline debris to general use can wear down your washer's nozzles, decreasing pressure, affecting spray patterns, and lowering your equipment's overall performance? Replacing high-pressure nozzles that are used or worn should be a part of your equipment's routine maintenance. Each pressure washer nozzle has two separate identifiers, an orifice size and a designated spray pattern. The first step when replacing a pressure washer nozzle is to determine the orifice size. Choosing the right orifice size goes hand in hand with your pressure washer's performance and longevity. Too high of a number and your pressure washer's performance will dip. Too low of a number and you can overload and damage your pump. You can find the orifice size on the side of any of your pressure washer's original nozzles. The first two digits are your spray pattern. The last three digits are your orifice size. The number furthest to the right is a decimal digit. This specific bit is a 15-degree size 4.5 nozzle. If the numbers on the side of your nozzle have worn off or you don't have a nozzle for reference, you can size your pressure washer's nozzle using the information on your spec plate. The numbers you're looking for are your machine's overall PSI and gallons per minute. Be careful not to confuse your pump spec plate with your washers. Your pressure washer's output is dictated by your machine's motor or engine capacity, not your pump specifications. Relying on your pump specifications instead of your machine's overall specifications will lead to equipment underperformance when selecting nozzles. Once you have your machine's PSI and gallons per minute, you can plug them into the following formula. Gallons per minute times the square root of 4,000 divided by PSI. Round your answer to the nearest zero or 0.5 and you have your orifice size. Or you can pause the screen and use this chart. Now that you know your pressure washer's orifice or nozzle size, you can choose your preferred spray pattern. The most common pressure washer nozzles come in 5 colors: red, yellow, green, white, and black. The nozzle's color helps identify the tip's spray pattern. The red nozzle provides a powerful and cutting 0-degree spray pattern. Red nozzles can be used to clean or rinse hard-to-reach areas like crevices in sidewalks or driveways. Be careful with red because it's almost guaranteed to remove paint or leave its mark on concrete and wood. The yellow 15-degree nozzle is great for cleaning stubborn stains off hard surfaces like brick or concrete. The green 25-degree nozzle may be the most versatile. It's the perfect choice for vehicles, painted surfaces, lawn care equipment, and woods like decks or fencing. The wide spray of the white 40-degree nozzle is an ideal choice for washing softer, more delicate surfaces like windows and window screens. The black nozzle is used for detergent application. On pressure washers with soap injection systems, attach the black nozzle to the end of your wand or trigger, then drop your soap line into a bucket of detergent. The black nozzle lowers your washer's pressure, activating the soap draw, and pulls soap directly through your washer. So there you have it. Matching your pressure washer's orifice size to the machine's specifications and matching the right spray pattern to your wash project is a simple and effective way to get the most out of your machine. Now that I have the right orifice size to match my pressure washer and the right spray pattern to match my workload, I can finally use my pressure washer to cut this watermelon in half. For more information on any of the products you've seen here, or to schedule a free demo, visit hotsyequipment.com. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook to be notified when more become available. Thanks for watching, and remember, nothing cleans like a Hotsy. I'm gonna get some more of that watermelon.